Do you know that the most important key in graphics is space? Alright, it's your boy EKD and I'm here again on Top Up Your Graphics, and I'll be talking on space management. If you are a good graphics designer, you must know how to manage your space properly. Like I always say, graphics is made of different elements, and your ability to combine these elements in space makes you a good designer. So as designers, we must make proper use of our space. The space given to you, or the space you're working on. Calculate your elements, place them orderly in your space. Try to manage your space as good as possible. That will make your design come out well and more beautiful. Thank you very much. I remain your boy EKD.